front of me is Samsung Galaxy S9, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Now we get this free app from Flutter developer, DevCheck Device and System Info, and when it's ready, open it. Finally, thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!